equation of a line tangent to a circle. In our previous video lessons, we already discussed about circles and basics of analytic geometry. And now, let's incorporate these two learnings. In this problem, write the equation of a line tangent to a circle whose equation is x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0 at point -1 and 4. So, ang given equation dito is equation of a circle which is in general form. So, let's convert it first into its standard form. So, una, group natin yung x and y's. X squared minus 4x plus y squared. So, let's transpose the constant to the right side. So, equal to 21. Then, completing the square method, x squared minus 4x plus y squared is equal to 21 plus kung ano yung i-add natin sa side na to. So, to find the third term, let's divide the coefficient of the middle term, which is -4, by 2, and then squared it. So, -4 over 2 is -2, then 2 squared is 4. We also add 4 here. And then, let's convert it into its perfect square binomial. So, the square root of x squared is x, and then the square root of 4 is 2. And then, follow the sign of the middle term, which is negative. Squared plus y squared is equal to 25. And kung mapapansin natin, nasa standard form na siya. So, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So, yung h and k natin, yung center, h is 2, and k natin is 0. And then, yung radius natin, square root of 25 is equal to 5. So, since meron na tayong points na nakuha, yung center, and then yung point na given sa problem, so, next na gagawin natin is to find the slope of the line from this point to point C, which is the center. Using the formula for slope, with the given 2 points, so y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, let us assume it is x sub 1 and then y sub 1. And this is x sub 2 and y sub 2. Then, direct substitution, y sub 2 is 0 minus y sub 1, which is 4, over x sub 2. So, 2 minus x sub 1, which is -1. It will become positive 1. So, 0 minus 4 is -4 over 3. So, it is negative. So, our slope is going down. So, negative. So, going down in this direction. So, set aside muna natin yung nakuha nating slope na nung segment na nabuo from this point up to this point, which is -4 over 3. So, plot lang natin yung mga given. Yung center, which is at 2 and 0. So, ito yung 2 and 0. And then, yung point na to, -1 and 4. So, ito naman yung intersection between the circle and this line, tangent to this circle. And then, yung nabuong segment between the center and the point of tangency. So, tama naman na going down. So, negative yung slope niya, which is -4 over 3. So, mapapansin natin, yung line tangent to the circle is perpendicular with the segment formed between the point of tangency and the center. So, mayroon silang 90 degrees. And kung maalala nyo sa analytic geometry, the slope of two perpendicular lines are negative reciprocal of each other. So, yung slope nito is -4 over 3. And then, yung magiging slope naman nito is negative reciprocal of -4 over 3. So, m sub 2 is equal to 1 over -1 over m sub 1. So, m sub 2 is equal to -1 over -4 over 3. So, m sub 2 is equal to 3 over 4. using the point slope form, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. So, y minus y sub 1 natin. So, yung point of tangency, which is negative 1 and 4. So, negative 1 sa x and y. So, y sub 1 is 4 is equal to m, which is 3 over 4, times x minus x sub 1, which is negative 1, so magiging positive 1. And then, multiply lang natin both sides by 4. Para ma-cancel out to. Magiging 4y minus 16 is equal to 3 times x plus 1. So, magiging 4y minus 16 is equal to 3x plus 3. And then lipat-lipat lang natin, magiging 3x minus 4y plus 19 is equal to 0. So, ito na yung equation nung tangent line or line na tangent to this circle. With the equation of x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0.